Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick share on a haul I did. This haul is from Aliexpress and the store is HANDCRAFT's store. So let me tell you, I did receive my package and for the most part these are the items I ordered, except I did order this coffee dye. I did order this oriental dye. However, I did not order this baby carriage. But what I did order said Happy Mail with some Disney ears, like Mickey Mouse ears. So when I received my package, and you know, I'm interested to know if this has happened to any of you. This is not the first time I've had problems on AliExpress, although most times the seller is very willing and able to work with you and to get your problems resolved. And I'm not sure if it's just because of COVID or what it is, but and they did throw these two things in free. Let me add that. I guess. I know I didn't order them. But, so, when I got my package, I opened a dispute. When you open up a dispute on AliExpress, it gives you, I think, 2 or 3 choices. I don't remember at this moment. But it's either like logistics or stuck in customs or package was empty, something like that. Well, in any case, none of those things ever apply to me, because how the heck am I supposed to know it's stuck in customs? Anyway, so I picked package was empty. So then I get a response from the seller because I said that I received these two dyes, and this is the one I opened the dispute up on. They said that the package wasn't empty, that I falsely said whatever. I don't even know. Anyway, so then it was escalated to supposedly AliExpress. So they're gonna help me now, right? Because doesn't everybody like money back guarantee and all of this? It's safe to shop on AliExpress. So then Ali gets involved and I tell them that I received the product, but that's not the product I ordered. They close my dispute, say it's final, and I'm not getting no refund. I'm stuck with a baby carriage that I didn't order, that I didn't even want, and don't have the dye that I did order. And again, the store is called HANDCRAFT's store on AliExpress. So needless to say, I have blacklisted that store. I will not be ordering from them ever again. You can bet on that. And I'm almost like not wanting, or I almost want to empty out my shopping cart on Ali and just not deal with them at all. In one other case, I did have a dispute on another store and they wanted me to send the item back. And my dispute was that it wasn't cutting out. So I uploaded a picture of how it cut. I uploaded the dye and they wanted me to send the dye back to them. To China. Guess who was gonna have to pay for that? Yeah, not. So I still have the junk dye. But in any case, this is my little rant about this store, HANDCRAFT store. Be very careful. You might not get what you ordered, and if you get something else, you're kind of stuck with it. But I hope you guys are having better luck with Ali than I have. And really, for the most part, my Ali purchases, although they do take long to get here, they've been fine. But I just figured, you know what? These guys cannot be saying that everything... See, ranting, and so my memory ran out. But anyway, yeah, so hope you guys are having better luck with Ali than I am. And stick around if you want to watch more crafty videos and not so complainy. And you'll see them pop up right here. Until the next video, shakas!